how to go live at the same time across all your social media platform with just one phone. For instance, if you are streaming live on Facebook, the same thing will be showing on your account on Telegram, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube with just one phone in a real time. Okay, so that is what I'm going to teach you.
All right, head over to your Play Store and then search for this word, One Stream Live, like this. Once you have it searched, it will take you to this interface. Do you see this particular one with this logo? Click on it for me. Now have it installed. After installing it, it will require you to sign up with them. Just fill the information required. Once you are done with that, it will take you to this interface. Now there are options available for you to use. There is Studio, Connect, OPS, Zoom, etc. Pre-recorded the stream, live broadcast. So we are focusing on the last one, being live broadcast. Click on it, it will appear like this. So to connect to all your social media channels or platform at once, head over to this box here, click on it, it will appear like this. Come over to this plus sign here, click on it as well. It will appear like this. Go ahead to connect all your social media accounts here. This is Facebook profile page or group, depending on where you want to stream. You can connect your Facebook, you can connect your TikTok here. All the social media platforms, they are all here. This is Instagram. There are many of them, just think of it. Once you connect all of them, start streaming and all of them will be showing in all the platforms. So do well to share this update to reach to others and drop thank you in the comment section to appreciate me. Bye.